Hey guys, yeah, so welcome to the part two of this week's market outlook, right? We've seen our fundamental projection. If you have not seen the video, check on my channel and check it out what we're looking fundamentally for the week. All right, so in this video, we're going to be checking out our technical standpoints, what um, the chart says about our projection for the week. All right, so starting off with the DXY as usual. With the DXY, I'm still maintaining my core positions for last week. So basically, for last week, we had the market somewhere here, right? For DXY, we had the market scarcely breaking this low. So what basically happened is we have a range last week. DXY ranged about 162 pips, right? So yeah, that's basically what it did. So we had the markets from here traded down here, then traded back up to this point. So this is basically what happened throughout last week, which of course, as far as other currencies are concerned, we actually made the most out of this move, right? We made the most. So let's check out this week. I'm still maintaining my bias, right? For, as you can see on the daily, we are now at the resistance point of this channel, this trend channel, which this week, if there is a significant break out of this channel, then we're going to be expecting a very good bias to the upside for the dollar, right? But again, notice how the market respected this level right here. Very strong structure, then bounces off and up again. So let's see if this channel is going to hold price, or if we're going to probably trade down a bit into the channel before we finally project upwards, which will give us a very nice head and shoulder pattern before we project to the upside. Again, probably would have our Fibonacci to confirm if we're ripe for the entry, right? But again, we don't try to dictate to the market, we just react to what it does, right? So to GBP USD, yeah, I'm still maintaining my levels. I'm still maintaining these levels. They are not invalid yet, right? They are not invalid yet. Again, we hoped that the market should have gotten to this high before it dropped, according to our last week's outlook, right? But of course, it broke here, where like it was going to break this level, and it did break, but scarcely did it reach this high on Monday, Tuesday, but eventually on Wednesday, FOMC, right? FOMC reversed the market, and we are now at the base of this trend line, and it's a third touch here, a very beautiful third touch here. So let's see if this third touch is going to be able to hold price to the upside. First touch here, second, and we have our third touch. Let's see how much this third touch will be strong enough to hold price to the upside, or break it to the downside, or probably trade here, then we'll start tanking. Depending if the DXY starts trading to the upside, then we are going to expect GBP USD to start selling, right? So let's see how the week goes. Let's see how the week goes. Next up, we're going to be looking at Euro USD, gold. Okay, let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Wow, wow. So our levels are still intact. Our levels are still intact. Now we were like gold was going to break here. Gold was trading above here. So we waited for gold to come back into the zone, came back down. I think I was actually waiting for gold to test out this level before the buy, right? I was actually waiting for gold to test this level before I'll buy. That would have confirmed a very nice pull to the upside, but I literally missed this move here. I literally missed this entry, but what I caught was the break above this level, right? I actually caught the break above this level, and eventually price broke out of this um, structure as well, as you can see there. So basically gold is all bullish. It's all bullish. The market doesn't hear anybody, it just does what it feels like. So let's see what gold does again when it gets here. But again, gold is unapologetically bullish, right? Unapologetically bullish. But in the last few weeks, we can see a very good reaction building up here. Like there was this range happened here for a long time before this push. So might probably see a range here again for a couple of weeks before we'll probably see another all-time high, right? We don't dictate, we just react, right? Euro USD finally, Euro USD still maintaining our um, bias, still maintaining our structural points. Again, on Euro USD, price succeeded to break here according to what we projected in last week's outlook. But FOMC FOMC reversed the market and came back down, now building at this our beautiful trend line again. So let's see how strong buyers will be able to maintain price above this trend line, or if it's going to break and start selling below, right? So I'm pretty sure there will be very nice moves this week, right? Fundamentally, there is a good potential for the market to move, and technically, the chart is speaking really well. There should be nice, very nice moves this week. So let's um, catch up. Let's catch up. Let's see what the market holds for us this week. All right. So if you like this sort of content, do well to like, share it with someone interested, someone um, that will thank you later, obviously, right? Then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Nah.